Hey everybody, David the AI Guide here. Welcome to the AI Guide on YouTube, where we're making AI human. What does that mean? That means that we are focusing on the human impact of these technologies, and we have a great episode on that subject today. But first, click the links below, get my book on Amazon, The Beginner's Guide to AI, History of AI and Current Impact on 10 Different Industries. It's a short read. Also, the other link is free resources to help you learn more and more about AI so that you're prepared for a very different future in a very short time compared to where we are today. And you're going to hear about that in a sec. But please like, subscribe, and share. It's really important for you to support us in that way, and I appreciate your support. And also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And here we go. So, great article by Technology Magazine, 6 of the best future uses of AI. Pretty timely here as we wrap up January of 2023. And we're still early in a new year. So let's take a closer look at 6 sectors that will attract a lot of future attention regarding the implementation of AI. Predictions and forecasting. AI is migrating from its position as a technology identifying relationships and data and predicting existing trends more accurately to a technology that spots future shifts in everything. So what he's saying, what they're saying is, instead of just looking at a huge data set and figuring out what the relationships of that monster data set is, some of which are unexpected, now AI is beginning to be able to predict the future, basically. As AI model explainability improves, along with more reliable ways to monitor performance, robustness, and fairness, more complex models have in turn become more reliable. AI can recognize disruptors by making connections between embedded characteristics. So that's one area where they say there's going to be a breakthrough. Next is risk and insurance. Boosting efficiencies and fairness in areas of credit risk, meaning who gets a credit card or a mortgage loan, insurance, human resources, and surveillance. Machine learning will read through forms and review voice and video recordings, and we've talked about how AI is already being used to screen resumes, and there's a lot of controversy about that one. AI is currently used to automate customer-facing steps from chatbots to processing an order. Some companies will also use it to improve their customer service. Even uncontrolled, AI does not necessarily make a process less fair. AI attempts mathematically to mimic previous decisions. So what I think she's saying here with insurance and risk is that AI looks at the past and what it knows to determine how that applies to a new individual or a new situation. Next up, number 3 is sales and marketing. Conversational chatbots are a high-profile example of AI in action now and are already accepted by the consumer. Artificial intelligence enables companies to carry out tasks and shift strategies in real time. Meanwhile, machine learning algorithms will automatically increase sales promotions or delay launching products that might cannibalize profit from other product lines. In short, AI can recalibrate sales and marketing decisions to generate additional sales. So they're saying AI can be used to boost sales, which I'm confident is true. And we've talked about the robot greeting you in the store in the mall that recognizes you, knows everything you bought, and can suggest to you what you buy next. Defense. The defense industry is undergoing massive changes. As soon as they can get their AI risk governance fully in place, there's real potential for acceleration. That means that the defense industry is still trying to figure out how to keep adequate controls on AI so it doesn't spin out of control. But once they have figured out that, or believe they figured it out, AI is going to accelerate dramatically. The U.S. Navy is already actively developing over 1,000 AI-related activities. And one of my viewers made a comment just last week that the defense industry is using AI far more than private sectors. We just don't hear about it. And here's proof of that, so way to go to my viewer. I think most people would be surprised to the degree to which AI is being groomed and developed in the Navy, says Chief AI Officer of the U.S. Navy, Brett Vaughn, but a majority of those efforts are still in the R&D realm. There's two areas where AI is being used currently in the U.S. Navy: enabling autonomy for unmanned and robotic systems, this is like subs and stuff, and improving the quality and speed of human decision making. So that's defense. Defense use of AI is going to grow astronomically. And I think everyone intuitively knows that. Customer experience. Almost half the world's largest companies will be using AI and ML to transform their customer experience within the next 4 years. In a world of accelerated uncertainty, the next era of customer experience innovation will be led by those brands that improve value for the customer through empathy and delivering outcomes for the success of that customer. 45% of the Global 2000 are expected to use AI to nudge customers into unfamiliar, novel experiences in the near future. This is within the next 4 years. And I've been saying now for almost 3 years, since I started this channel in March of 2020, and soon it'll be March of 2023, 3 years, AI is going to be heavily used to transform how we interact with the world. Finally, sixth area, asset management investment. Over 2/3 of banks see AI as a crucial tool in tackling the increasing complexity of trade surveillance. So a lot of banking revolves around trade credit, and there's a lot of risk associated with that. Country risk, with countries that are unstable. Shipping risk, meaning, a ship could sink or capsize in a storm or a million different things. I mean, there's a lot of risk to shipping. Global financial firms are increasingly looking to technology for efficiency with a clear desire for more automated workflows, but driven by regulatory demands. AI has already transformed trading with algorithmic trading, and we've talked about that before. We will see the same complete transformation of how we think about meeting our retirement objectives, as well as the kind of outcomes, social and environmental, that investors want to be a part of. Driven by AI that works for the investor, asset management, and other computational and tokenization technologies, the asset management industry will undergo a massive transformation in the next decade. In fact, in the last video I did, part 2 of Andrew Ng interview, he said, every industry is going to be profoundly transformed in the next 10 years by AI. Every industry. This is why I started the AI Guide, to prepare you for this future that's going to hit in the prime of your working career for my core audience, which is 18 to 34-year-olds. And that will have a profound impact on your lives. So prepare yourself. Click those links below. Get my book. Learn the resources, use the resources. Please like, subscribe, and share to support the channel. And also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and thanks so much Thank you, especially to my subscribers that are growing rapidly now. So thank you. Take care. Bye.